Hello viewers, you have opened this video, so I believe you are interested in learning email marketing from a top-rated freelancer who can help you today. So let's start our journey together. So first of all, we need to understand what is email marketing. Email marketing is a digital marketing strategy that involves sending promotional message or content to subscribers by email. Why it is still important? The main fundamental is it direct communication channel, cost effectiveness, easy to use and user friendly. Real world example: newsletter, e-commerce promotion. Retailers like Amazon and Shopify stores are promotional emails to drive sales and highlight a special offer. So basically, if we said actually email marketing is important to use for promote products or services, business wise it's different. Now you can think why we need to choose MailChimp. Using MailChimp, you can create personalized email marketing campaign that help you reach your business goals. Every business is different, but with MailChimp, you can create unique experience for your customer that drive revenue and improve sales for your business. MailChimp key features. We need to understand the key features of MailChimp. Audience management. Now audience management is basically, suppose we have lots of email address like 1,000 or more email address and customer database we have. So when we need to send email, we cannot send one by one. So that MailChimp will provide us one time we can send them email by one click. Personalization. Personalization means when we send email, we can say, "Hi Mehedi." This way we can personalize people for better interaction. Email campaign is simple thing. We can design email template, then as a campaign we can send it our existing audience. Automation means automatic email. The user journey wise, the automation will be working. Like for e-commerce, if new people subscribe, they will receive a welcome email. If any people add to cart any products on a website, certain time later they will receive abandoned cart email. This way, user journey wise, we can set up automatic email. It's called automation or flow. Integration means connect your MailChimp account with other platforms you use, making it easy to share information between them. For example, you can link your online store to MailChimp and automatically send marketing message to your customer. You can also connect your social media accounts like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter to add your followers as contact in MailChimp. This helps you to create targeted email campaign effortlessly. I hope you understand so the importance of integration. Okay, now you are going to learning MailChimp, so you need to also understand it is have market demand or not. So at this moment I am on the Upwork marketplace. I am also work on this platform last 4 years, so I can showing you. If you look here, the new job is posted. Here you can see, and people are already posting job there. As someone need services, they are posting the job there. And if I search here using MailChimp, only using MailChimp keyword, we can see the job proposal or not. Here you can see people are posting job. Actually this it's provide value and it has demand on market. So you can look here, people are needed the services. So now if I come back on interface, here you can see I am on the Fiverr. So if I search on using MailChimp, you can see lots of services are available here, and this is basically seller and they provide their gig, and this is our gig and it's get selling. Here you can see this seller is getting more than 200 plus order from this single gig. Similarly, if you look, others also getting job here. Here you can see all our people are getting job. Now if you believe email marketing can be valuable to you, Please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. I will be sharing effective A to Z email marketing videos on this channel. Your support motivates me to create more valuable content for you.